Yes, sexy show. Live sex show, ping pong. It's a boy show. Hello, what me? What you want? You want a live show? Like a show?
No, later.
No, later. Thank you.
Madami na nagtatanong. Kaya naman kasi.
Alright, welcome to Pattaya. Ping pong show, ping pong show. Oh my God. Dito kami sa walking street ng Pattaya. Oh, there. Tapos ang daming nagyayaya ng ping pong show. Oh my gosh. Hi! Yes, may mga nag-offer dito ng ng live show. Oh my God. My girl to girl, boy to boy.